Kajaria Plywood Private Limited draws its core strength from the rich experience of its parent company, Kajaria Ceramics Limited, with quality product development, expertise, and an unparalleled commitment towards customer satisfaction. Kajaria Ply has strived to adopt technologies, research, and quality standards of the modern times in order to deliver quality wood panel products by making them 100% customer-centric. But these wood panel products also require proper care as well as handling throughout the year. Let's understand the product handling and stock guidelines, specifically during monsoon season, as recommended by our experts. Firstly, let's understand some generic product storage guidelines. As we know, plywood is a versatile building material, but it takes a lot of space and it can warp if you don't store it properly. If you have the space, it's best to store your plywood horizontally by making the products lie flat or parallel to ground to prevent warpage. We should always use lumber to create a base that will keep the plywood off the ground, as moisture can seep up through the earth, causing the plywood to rot. Ideally space the lumber about 2 feet, 0.61 meter apart to ensure it is supported enough that it doesn't sag. We can always use multiple pieces of lumber or metal plates as a base which will keep the plywood off the ground. Please note, stackers or spacers used as bottom support should be of same thickness and width for any stack. Multiple thickness of stackers or spacers if placed as bottom support will lead to undulation of the entire stock of products. Also, it is advised to use thicker lumber support on top of each stack of 6 mm and 9 mm plywood specifically. It is important to understand that plywood products should not be stacked by mixing multiple sizes in one lot. Ideally, each size and each thickness should be stacked separately. Storage space ideally should be well ventilated so that some amount of air can pass between the product stacks for better conditioning of products inside warehouse. Now, let's have an understanding for some guidelines regarding product handling and stocking specifically during monsoon season. It is absolutely important and necessary to take care of plywood, blockboard, and flush doors at the warehouse during the monsoon or rainy season. The corners and bottom of stack must be cleaned at least once in 15 days, especially during monsoon. Stack your plywood, blockboard, or flush doors at least 6 to 9 inches away from the wall which is facing the outside of the warehouse. Wood panel products undergo a lot of stress due to change in weather and infrequent exposure to water. This may often result in opening of joints and debonding of laminates in spite of using good quality material. It is strongly advised to use a waterproof adhesive that protects end product from debonding even when exposed to water. A well-ventilated warehouse has the potential to take the humidity out of a room or an indoor space. This can also help in keeping the products better as the movement of air comforts the wood. Wooden products tend to swell during the monsoon due to moisture absorption. This causes drawers and doors to get stuck while opening or closing them. This is very common and nothing to be worried about. This can be avoided by oiling or waxing the finished products. We recommend to use spray-on wax for a neat and clean end product. Don't use a damp piece of cloth to clean your wood panel products. Instead, use a dry clean cloth to prevent dust accumulation. Dust tends to absorb moisture and this may soften the finishing of the plywood, blockboard, and flush doors. Moisture and humidity are an ideal breeding ground for termites. Hence, it is critical to pre-treat the warehouse with an anti-termite solution before the onset of monsoon season every year. Now you must have understood how to handle and maintain Kajaria plywood panel products and make sure that we do follow these guidelines from time to time.